replace the battery.
Look, Ron is standing by a new Cub. FMS Cub. Is that your new plane, Ron?
Yeah, see,
Sweet.
It's Cub Yellow.
Cub Yellow it is.
Yeah.
Very light Cub Yellow though.
Look, it is very light.
Yeah.
Why has it got landing lights when it's taken off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it Tim's? Where's Tim?
Over there having a leak.
Oh, he's just come from around behind the rusty hangar.
I love these little wheels on it, though, don't they?
Tiny wheels, tiny
yeah.
Cub wheels.
Yeah.
I like the external battery, Ron. That's really flash.
I know, yeah. And he's got this fully floating receiver again.
Yeah, he does a good install, does our Tim.
We better tidy that up before we...
Tidy it up. Stuff some foam in there or something, you reckon?
What pressure you're putting these?
About 7 psi. What I'll do that.
Go into menu. And page. Keep going. Yep, go back. I think it's that one. No, go.
Neil's cutting Velcro with some blunt scissors.
Yeah.
Are they blunt, Neil?
No, they're not.
Oh, he says they're not.
Go.
Well, 2 layers at once. Geez, you're brave. And of course, we have go-karts again, because we always have go-karts, don't we?
Right now, hold.
And this is the slowest lap competition. There it goes. And Tim has renovated his transmitter. Renovated is one word for it, I suppose.
No.
What are you doing, Ron? Do you know how to do that, Ron? Do you want a hand?
Yeah, he's done it. That's it, man. You've done it, Ronnie. You're the man.
Yeah, I know. It's really hard, isn't it? Do you want some expo on those flaps, Tim?
No, mate.
Okay, it's all good.
How are you going to find any switches amongst all that colour?
Yeah, that's right.
That's the thing, yeah.
That's especially for FPV, that transmitter, because you won't have to look at it. You're going to use the internal battery or the external one? Is it just for jump starting?
I suppose you're going to win some Velcro for that too.
Are you Mr. Velcro today, Neil?
Looks like it.
He never brings any of his own, does he?
I won't. I'll just strap it in.
He's just going to put in with a nail.
Really? Oh.
Yeah. Do you want the nail gun, Tim?
Oh,
Be alright, yeah. Everyone's cutting stuff. I feel so left out. I should get a knife and cut stuff. We could become a club of whittlers. So Ron, you're a bit late to the field today, mate. What happened?
I have visitors.
Visitors?
Yeah.
That's alright.
This fucking solid since last on Friday.
oh, there's some in the plane. Oh,
Look, they're all throwing stuff at Tim's plane.
Oh, yeah, but none for the oh, you mean for the receiver?
yeah, I got some for the receiver. Thanks for that.
Well,
Oh,
thanks.
look,
We both got it.
Oh, that's tragic, Ron. You went to all that trouble?
I can put that on my other battery, but
Yeah.
I better check that over its
What, the divot on the other side of the hill?
range.
CG? Yeah, but technical.
You set your fail safe before you put the cover on?
Not on electric, right?
Yes. Oh, especially on electric.
Oh, we better do that.
Yeah. Safety first.
Safety first.
Yeah.
Yes.
You never
Bad
know.
attitude, isn't it?
Yeah, you never know when CA is going to drive up unexpectedly, eh?
Gavin was saying it was either his father or his grandfather that was involved with building this.
Building what, Ron?
Go-kart
The
track.
go-kart track. What'd they build it out of?
Bolswood.
Balsawood go-kart track. Look at that, eh? Look at him go. The fail-safe is full throttle, is it?
Yeah.
That's good. You're holding it wrong. This is how we do range tests, folks. That's heaps more than you usually get, Tim. Whoa, have you got the aerial up? Did you push your aerial up? He's going a long way away. Free sky. Range to burn. Range to burn. Look at that. And the wiggly bits are still wiggling. It's got to be good. So what's Ron got today? Nitro, that's different. That's unusual. That's a change. Have you seen Tim's nitro plane?
No.
And look, on the table of charges we have a nitro plane. What's it doing on the charging table? Look, and he's got a tune pipe on it. Look at this, will you? Look at what, talk about bodge. We'll see that later on. I guess he's just charging the batteries. What about a bodge? Maiden flight of the FMS Cub. Here we go, Tim's new plane. Is it safe to stand here? I don't know. Gets away.
And straight to the hill.
Flies very nicely, doesn't it?
Not bad.
Okay. Nice flight. It's a bit fast for Tim, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. Full throttle. He's found the switch.
So traffic take off NG 172 currently 4 miles northeast of Tokoroa Township, 3,000 feet and checking tempo.
Is that a crosswind today? Oh no, it's from the other end. Look at it go. Woo! Landing, is it? Ooh. Hope the runway's long enough. Well, what's he doing? Don't flare at that speed. Put flaps on. Oh boy, it's a bit rough. Whiplash, whiplash. Yeah, there's a bit of pitch coupling with the flaps, all right.
We're going to mix some elevator in with the flaps.
Just use your thumbs, man.
Yeah, he's not quick enough. You've got to flip the throttle switch off as well.
I know, that's a bit of a mission, isn't it?
Come on, you've been up 5 minutes, you haven't crashed it yet.
He's trying for a new record. The hill beckons.
Two of the surfaces reversed.
I was flying up here one day.
Come on, Ron. Tall story.
Over there, and all the surfaces are moving on. I hadn't turned it off, and the signaling signal was the bug.
Nitro's safer like that though, Ron, because at least they don't. The motor doesn't start up, doesn't disappear across the pits into someone's head.
Yeah.
Because we're safety first here, folks. Always safety first. Well, second or third. Well, it's in there somewhere, isn't it, Ron? Safety?
Yeah.
Somewhere on the list.
It's first.
Yeah.
First.
Yeah, of course.
Safety first.
Don't listen to Ron, he doesn't know.
Not really alphabetical.
The wheels look too close together with it. Because
They do, eh? It looks criminal with the wheels too close together. Needs some track to it. Oh, where's he going?
A couple of landings, you'll speed them apart.
Looking to the divot.
Yeah. He's hucking it a bit, isn't he? Hey, you mother rucker, what are you doing?
Hey, yeah, silly mother rucker, yeah.
Come in, 86, your time is up. Oh, he nearly did come in too.
Hey. It's like Barry's at porpoises.
Yeah, he makes it. He wants to do that, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that.
Lots of drag with flaps onto him. Oh, just. Oh no!
I've never seen a cub painted like that. Quite a bit of doubt.
Maiden flight, test pilot Tim. How was that, mate?
Right, good.
Good?
Nice,
Yeah?
it's good, mate.
Yeah?
Good model.
Throttle switch works okay?
It's a good rucker.
It's a good little hook around machine.
Yeah.
Tidy. Nice transmitter too.
That's what you tell us.
Well, yeah.
There you go. Spitfire, folks. Can't beat them, Spitfires.
I had a shirt like that once.